boys. We got the windows down right now. We cruising through town. So in today's video, I got an install for you guys. We will get to that right now, soon as we get back to the crib. So now here we are. Let's check out what we got here. Got one for the front, got one for the rear. Now normally I don't do these kinds of modifications too much on my car, but I probably should have did them on my SS. They were long overdue, and I love the way that it looks afterwards. Here it is, LED side marker. Now there's an LED light that runs just right along here. Just one light bar all the way across. These are already pre-tinted or smoked, whatever you want to say, but they're not super dark. If you guys don't know, on ZL1s you don't have red tail lights, you get the clear housing. I installed these same tail lights on my last SS, and these are kind of more similar to like a dark housing, clear housing type of a deal. They're not colored like what the stock ones are. So if you're not aware, on all cars, the stock ones are red in the back, and then in the front, they're always amber. Let me flip the lights here. And there you go. You can see it's just a light that kind of emits right out the center of it. Nothing too special. Looks pretty basic. Normally I just tint them. That's what I did on my SS. I figured the heck with it. Cost $20 to get the pre-cut tint that fits on them. So I picked up ones on eBay, 40 bucks. I'm not about to pay $250 for these simple lights. I see they've got $100 ones, whatever. Let's see what they work like. If they don't work, it's only $40. Hey, who cares? And if they do work, giant upgrade for super cheap. Don't know why I waited so long to do it. Sorry the lighting isn't the best in here, but there is one bolt back here, one screw you need to take loose. Take it loose with the T15 Torx. I'm using it on a little 1/4-inch drive ratchet, so it's small, it can get in there. Should be able to get it without removing the tire. This is the LED side marker. I will show you how they plug up. Super easy to take off. I mean, maybe 5 minutes a side marker. That's the screw. Okay, slowly get it up out of there. Then once you get it out, there is a connection here. Do not undo it at the connector. You need to turn it and pull this off, and then you will be pulling this bulb off. Normally you never want to touch a bulb, but I never really plan on using this again. So pull that bulb out of there, and then you're left with just this connection here. That's where you take this little connector that it comes with. It looks almost like the bulb end, and you just slide it in. Definitely tight. That's okay. You get it in, and then this is a step you need to make sure you don't forget, to force these wires back into the housing and slide this in. This way it actually seals again. There's the tabs there. Just need to pop those in. Sure it's in on both sides. Done. My camera does not like the bright background behind me. I've got the garage door open so you guys can see a little bit more, but it's the same process. If you have an SS, you can reach directly in here because you got a little gap in the fender liner. Us ZL1 boys, we can't do that. Same process as the back. So if you got a ZL1, probably gonna want to turn your wheel in to get easy access. Done. Motherfuckers sound nasty. So if the footage looks crazy, I'm on my GoPro. I forgot my freaking camera, but of course the side markers aren't on. I got the car turned on. Let me flip the lights on right quick. I think that should do it. Yeah, that should do it. So bow, there we go. You guys can see them, just a straight line down. They have some that are like double lines. I think they're kind of ugly. So yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It just completes the look. Everything else is LEDs. Why do they even do those little cheap lights like that? I don't know. It's hard to really get a full understanding of how nice they look or how they really stand out until it's nighttime. So I'm just doing a quick walk around right now for you guys, let you guys get an idea of it, and then I will wait until it's nighttime tonight or something, film the rest of this video for you guys so you can really. So we out here getting some gas right now at Shell. I want to show you these side markers real quick so that you can see them at nighttime. They're kind of like a gray color. So that's what they look like a dark smoked gray. I realized I didn't show that earlier in the video. It's nighttime now, and I realized it probably looked a little bit better during the daytime because the lights, I'm looking on my screen, it just kind of blurs out. So you guys can't see what I'm actually seeing. I'll snap a picture and throw it up. Matter of fact, let me turn my exposure down. I know that's dark, but you can get a better idea of what the lights are looking like. So they're just a line, and I think it looks way better on the car, blends in way better, honestly, way more modern, all of that. For 40 bucks, cost me almost nothing. Super easy to do. I highly recommend it to any of you guys. That's gonna do it for this video. This your boy ZT Zoomin, and I'm out this thing, baby. Hey.